Cooking outdoors has come a long way from balancing a single pot over a small burner. If you enjoy camping, overlanding, or family adventures, having a reliable cooking system can completely change the experience. Today we're reviewing the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp backpacking and camping stove cooking system, a premium dual-burner camp stove that includes compatible cookware and is designed for fast, efficient outdoor cooking. But is it worth the premium price, and is it the best portable cooking system for campers? Let's find out. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is built for campers who want the convenience of a real camp kitchen without carrying bulky equipment. Unlike compact backpacking stoves that focus on boiling water, this system allows you to prepare complete meals with greater control and versatility. Whether you're camping with family, traveling in an RV, overlanding, or enjoying weekend adventures, the Genesis Basecamp is designed to make outdoor cooking simple and enjoyable. Let's start with the cooking performance. The Genesis features a dual-burner design, allowing you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously, perfect for preparing a main course and side dish at the same time. The burners provide consistent heat control, making it easy to simmer sauces, boil water, fry eggs, or cook steaks without constantly adjusting the flame. The included camp cookware is designed specifically for the stove, creating a compact and organized cooking system that's easy to transport. Everything packs together neatly, reducing the amount of gear you need to carry. The Genesis Basecamp also focuses on portability and convenience. Its folding design makes storage much easier than traditional camping stoves. Setup is quick, allowing you to start cooking within minutes after arriving at camp. The stove is compatible with standard camping fuel canisters, making fuel easy to find during outdoor trips. Its durable construction is built to handle repeated camping adventures while maintaining dependable performance over time. The integrated design also helps keep your outdoor kitchen more organized. In real-world camping, the Jetboil Genesis performs exceptionally well. Heat distribution remains consistent, allowing meals to cook evenly without excessive hot spots. The dual burners make meal preparation significantly faster, especially when cooking for multiple people. The cookware works efficiently with the burners, helping reduce cooking time while making cleanup relatively simple. Whether you're preparing breakfast at a campsite or dinner after a long hiking day, the Genesis provides a cooking experience that's much closer to a home kitchen than a basic backpacking stove. For outdoor enthusiasts who cook regularly while camping, the convenience is immediately noticeable. So, is the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp backpacking and camping stove cooking system worth buying? If you're looking for a premium portable camp kitchen that offers excellent cooking performance, durable construction, and an organized all-in-one design, it's definitely worth considering. With features like dual burners, precise flame control, included cookware, compact folding storage, and Jetboil's trusted engineering, this system is ideal for campers, RV owners, overlanders, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. While it costs more than entry-level camping stoves, the convenience, cooking flexibility, and build quality help justify the investment for people who spend a lot of time outdoors. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of camping gear, outdoor cooking equipment, backpacking accessories, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.